Oh yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing. I am so excited for this month's box because I remember that one of the items that we could pick was an Ace palette, and everybody knows I'm obsessed with Ace Beauty's eyeshadows. So I'm so excited. So this is what the box looks like once it comes in the mail. So it's actually a fairly big box this month, so I'm excited to see what's in it. So when you open up the box, it looks like this. You get your card with all of your prices on it and little descriptions of what each item is. And yeah, we'll stay there. And I'm excited to see. So when you open up the box, it looks like this. So the first thing that I see in here is from the brand Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. So this retails for $36. This is what the packaging looks like. And when you take it out, it's like a cardboard packaging. So I do appreciate that. It's not plastic for, that's a really good thing for the environment, love it. And when you open it up, it looks like this, and this is, I don't know what material this is. It's like a squishy material, interesting. So it is super cute, and when you open it up, it looks like that. So it is a highlighter. It is a kind of a pinky, it's almost like a rose gold highlighter. It's really, really pretty. It's just kind of a weird packaging. I think it's magnetic, so when you close it shut, it clicks. So this retails for $36. This isn't a highlight that I personally would want to use. I prefer to use the Jeffree Star Ice Cold highlight and the Jaclyn Hill extra highlight. I like really blinding, really blinding light highlighter. So more of the white with the iridescent tone, similar to the Physicians Formula Pearl highlighter, or what highlighter even is that? Let me grab it. I think it's Pearl. Yes, I was right. So I like highlighters that are like this, just for my skin tone, just because it works a little bit better and it's a little bit more blinding. For me, I find that the gold ones, and like colored highlighters just aren't really for me. I just don't particularly like them. So I'm gonna put this item to the side, and I will either put it away in a giveaway, or I will give it to one of my friends. I'm not gonna swatch it because I may give it away to one of you guys, but I just personally don't need it. So that retails for $36. So the next item I see in the box is by the brand Wander Beauty. So this is Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. So in this month's box, we got a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. So that is really cool. We got a lot of awesome staple products that people need in their skincare. So this is by the brand Wander Beauty, and this retails for $36 again. So there we go. Let's try to open this without breaking a nail or the packaging. I hate these packages. Love that they're cardboard, but I can never get them open. There we go. We got it. So this is what this looks like. It is a pink packaging, and it says Wander Beauty on it, Trip for Two, and it looks like this. So it is the shades Bellini and Costa Rica. So this is a blush and bronzer trio. And again, I really don't need this. I have a crap ton of bronzers already in my collection, and I don't use blushes, so I really don't need this. But again, I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna give this away to one of my friends or one of you guys. And it's just not an item that I really need, but I think it's really awesome that it comes with a giant mirror, and it's really pretty. I just really don't need it. So I'm gonna put that to the side. If I give this to one of you guys, ignore how haggard the packaging looks like, because trying to get into anything, disastrous. There we go, got it closed. So we are at, that was $36. So we are at $72 right now. So the next thing that I see in here is a 8-hour radiance renewal sleep mask. So we got another sleep mask. The last sleep mask we got in, it was either Boxycharm or FabFitFun, was the Dr. Brandt sleep mask. So I'm excited to try another one. I will have to look this one up and see what ingredients are in it and what it's for. So it says usage, apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow to absorb into the skin, no need to wash off. Caution, discontinue use of redness or irritation occurs. So this is an 8-hour radiance renewal sleep mask. So let's read the information on this one. So Avant Skincare 8 hours radiance renewal sleeping mask. The 8-hour radiance sleep mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So it is a skincare product, so that's really great. I love getting a skincare product in these Boxycharms and trying new stuff out for you guys and letting you guys know how it works for me. Holy crap, this retails for $107. Oh my god, you get 50 milliliters, so 1.69 of a fluid ounce, and it is $107. Wow, that is very expensive. Skincare can be very, very expensive and very on the expensive side of things, but usually it's good to invest in your skin, so I don't usually have a problem paying a little bit more for skincare, but $107 for 50 milliliters, that is very expensive. I'm hoping that works. I will have to test that out for you guys in a video to come. So the next thing that I see is a Mani Simplified. So this is Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. So a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection. Easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigment so that you don't dry out your lips. And this is a nude color. So I really don't need this. Like I've said a million times over and over and over, I don't really care for getting lipsticks that are nude colors in subscription boxes. Sometimes I like it, but a lot of the times that we keep getting these products, I really don't go through them fast enough to warrant keeping them. So I think I'm going to put this to the side and give this away. But this retails for $21, which is very standard for a lipstick, but this is a whipped lipstick, so that is really, really interesting. So this is the color Lip Whip Dream, and it is a nude color and similar to my hair, and I just really don't need it. So retails for $21, and I will put that to the side. So the last thing that is in the box this month is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn Palette. So I am so excited. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so stunning, so beautiful. I have 2 other Ace Beauty palettes already in my collection, and I am very excited to get a new one. So let's try and open this. There we go, I did it. Yay for me. This retails for $34.99, and this is what the palette looks like. It is this gorgeous palette with all of these yellows and that gorgeous green right there. Oh my god, I am incredibly... My dog just squeaked. One second. My dog being dramatic for no reason. So this is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn Palette. I am incredibly excited to play with it. Those oranges and yellows are so gorgeous, and that khaki kind of green color or olive green color right there is so gorgeous. I am so incredibly excited to play with this and do a look for you guys in the future. This is such a breathtaking palette. This is one of the items that we were able to pick. So every month we can pick, I think it's 1 or 2 items in the box, and this was the one that I chose because the other item was another Ace Beauty palette. It was a cranberry one, and I really just didn't need another cranberry palette, so I'm super glad that I remembered to pick this one. And that was everything that was in this month's Boxycharm. So if we total it up, we have a whopping total of $34.99. So we have a total of $213.99. And I only paid about $36 for this box, so that is such a good deal. So let's go minus $36. So I'm basically getting an entire box of skincare products, paying about $40, just under $40, and I'm getting $177.99 minus the $35 that I spend worth of product. So I'm getting a total product of value of $213.99, and that is incredibly amazing. Even though I'm going to be giving a lot of the items away this month, I think it is still a really awesome deal and a really awesome subscription box. If you are not already signed up with Boxycharm, I highly recommend them. They are super awesome, and I love getting new items each month to play around and try, just because it's so much fun. So if you don't know what exactly you want, or you're stuck in a rut of always buying the same products over and over and over, Boxycharm is a really good alternative for, instead of buying makeup yourself, you can just get a subscription box and they send the products to you and they pick them for you. So I'm going to be giving away these 3 items just because I really don't need them in my collection. I already have too many items that are very similar to this, or just don't need them. So I'm going to be giving them away. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys or if I'm going to be giving them away to some of my friends, but I will be giving them away for now. I'm putting them to the side. So I am going to be keeping the Ace Beauty palette, obviously, because that's the one that I chose, and I am going to be keeping the 8 Hour Radiance Sleep Mask. I think this is a really cool item that we got, and I'm really glad that we got a skincare item. So I'm very excited for this box. This box wasn't exactly my favorite, but it still had a lot of really awesome items in it, and if you needed a face palette or a highlight palette, this was definitely a good month for you. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!